At Highway and Heavy Parts, we are always redefining our company to fit the needs of our customer base. One of our most important goals is to ensure fast delivery of parts to reduce the time spent off the road or in the shop. That is why we are aiming to expand our fulfillment centers across the United States. It can be frustrating to work with a parts company only to discover their warehouse is in a single centralized location and that the part won't get to you for up to a week. What we aim for as a company is to reach 80% of our customers with 80% of our parts with one-day shipping. And that is something we're building up to for all of our shipping areas by adding more warehouses across the country. Many of our customers already receive products within 2 days, and increasing our fulfillment centers only makes that a reality for more. Ultimately, Highway and Heavy Parts values your time. We want to get the right parts to you at the right time for the right price. We'll have localized staff that can answer your questions, give you shipping updates, and even provide an easy pickup location for faster service. Highway and Heavy Parts is the fastest growing parts supplier in the US, and expanding our reach is only part of the process. We want to bring you more than just parts. With our ASE certified technicians and excellent customer service, we hope to create a resource for all things diesel. Contact us at 844-447-1453 or on our website at highwayandheavyparts.com to get the most out of your shopping experience. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.